Hi, kindergarten. Today's phonics. We're going to learn special sounds, and we're going to review our ABCs, and we're going to review some blends and all of our special sounds and introduce 2 new ones. So let's go ahead and start with our ABCs. I would like you to say the sound that I point to 3 times. So we're going to go, where's it at? A says ah, or the long sound says A. B, k, d, or E, g, I, or I. We'll go over here. J, k, l, ah, or o, p, qu, On the back, we're gonna go, where am I at? Or you. V, w. X. Y. Z. Good job. You guys can do that at home anytime. Let's go ahead and review the blends. We've gotten about halfway through our blends so far this week. So we'll go ahead and go. Ready? Ma, mi, be, ya, ga, ya, za, ba, ki, va, na, he, ye, la, ga, pi, va. Good job, guys. We will do the blends every day. So you guys can work on the one, you can watch the video that has all the blends in them, or you can just do the videos for the day. Okay, our new special sounds, guys. We are moving right along. I'm hoping you are finding these in your reading and it's helping you. So today's special sound is, let me move that just a bit. Purr, as in pray. We also have, it's on the side, A-Y. This has 2 special sounds, purr, and A, pray. Let's read some words. This just shows you how by learning the special sounds, you're actually breaking it down. So we are taking a word that has 4 sounds, and instead of saying them each out, p, you are just saying per a. It's making it into 2 syllables instead of all 4 of them. So let's read some words. Ready? Per, press. Per, long I, d, pride. Per, 1, op, prop. Per, prune. Per, parent. Per, praise. S sometimes says Z. Good job. Purr, as in pray. Our other special sound today is grr. Grr, as in grin. Let's read some words. Grass. Grip. Ape, grapes. Green. Gray. Grain. Good job. All right, let's mark some special sounds. Let me pull up my board here for you. Get it centered. I think I forgot a marker. Let me grab a marker. All right. So, let me get you back so that you can see our board. All right. Move my chair over. Sorry, guys. Special sound is per. Only one vowel, so it's going to say I. Per, I, nt. Print. Special sound is ger. Two vowels. First one is long. Second one is silent. Ger, eat. Greet. Let's circle our special sound. Two vowels. First one is long, second one is silent. Per-eyes. Prize. Okay, look down here. Special sound is ger. Bonus. A. Ger, a. Gray. Per. Special sound. Bonus. Two of them. Per. A. Per. I as in fly. See, it's a Y, not an AY. I made a mistake, sorry. Pry. And then over here, let's circle our special sound. Two means first one's long, second one is silent. Grown. All right, guys, thanks. We'll see you later.